In this video, I will show you how you can use the PM session with 15-minute fair value gaps to catch great high risk reward trades, just like the one you see on your screen. So as we know, the 10 a.m. Eastern is the most favorite time for catching these trades, but the 2 p.m. Eastern is equally as good for the same exact concepts, right? So if we break this down from a power of three perspective, what you are looking for essentially is your three steps, which I talk about in every video. You want a 15-minute fair value gap and you want to be selling above the opening, right? So this was a sell above the opening. Let's break this down. So first we have the power of three indicator, which you can see open, and we also have a 15-minute fair value gap resting in this region. It is from here we look for potential shorts as we are above the opening of this candle. Step two of this strategy is you're waiting for price to come into the fair value gap, right? Coming into the fair value gap is very, very important, right? So when it comes to 15-minute fair value gaps, once you can predict this rejection over here, from here trading becomes very, very simple, right? You need to understand price action in this region and in this region, right? Let's break this down from a volume and order flow perspective. So here you can see the exact same price action, but on the 5-minute time frame. Now, on the 5-minute time frame, it's very, very clear because we have some aggressive sellers coming into the area, and we also have some aggressive sellers over here. I want you to pay attention to this area where we have 625 for only 108. So that means there's so many more aggressive buyers, but they've failed to move price higher. So when we look here in this region, right, we understand over here that sellers have won the battle between buyers and sellers. Buyers here have failed in this region. This shows you that the zone is active and sellers are in control. So you can place a stop loss just above here, right? So now the question becomes, where do we target? So if we look over here to the left, we actually have some equal lows resting in this region and we have some trend line liquidity over here, right? So we can target the first low down here for a nice 1 to 4, 1 to 5 hour trade, right? So if you want to know how to catch trades like this using both volume, fair value gaps, and order flow, just comment the word fair value gaps, FVG, in the video below and I will send you over a free checklist and one-to-one session link on how I do this.